Ever wonder what makes the world go round, culinarily speaking? What are the building blocks of flavor that connect us across cultures and continents? Join us as we explore some of the most used ingredients in kitchens around the globe. From the everyday to the exotic, these are the staples that shape our plates and define our tastes. Number 50. Vanilla, a flavoring agent used in both sweet and savory recipes, valued for its complex and warm aroma. Number 49. Turmeric, a vibrant spice often used in Indian dishes, known for its earthy flavor and golden color. It is also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Number 48. Paprika, a spice made from dried peppers, adding a sweet and smoky flavor and vibrant color to various dishes. Number 47. Baking soda, a leavening agent used in baking, crucial for texture. It reacts with acidic ingredients to create a rise. Number 46. Honey, a natural sweetener, used in many recipes for its distinct flavor and sweetness, as well as its health benefits. Number 45. Tea, a popular beverage made by infusing dried leaves in hot water, available in different varieties like black, green, and herbal. Number 44. Coffee, a widely enjoyed beverage made from roasted coffee beans, prized for its caffeine content and distinct flavor. Number 43. Chocolate, a sweet treat derived from cacao beans, used in baking, desserts, and other sweet preparations. Comes in various forms such as milk, dark, and white. Number 42. Mustard, a condiment made from mustard seeds, vinegar, and spices, used as a flavoring for many dishes. Number 41. Vinegar, a liquid made from fermented liquids used for preserving food and adding a tangy flavor to dishes. Number 40. Yeast, a leavening agent essential in baking, used to create the rise in breads and other baked goods. Number 39. Pasta, a staple carbohydrate, especially in Italian cuisine, made from unleavened dough and available in many forms. It is usually made of wheat flour, water, or eggs. Number 38. Oranges, a citrus fruit, enjoyed for its sweet and tangy flavor, and used in both sweet and savory dishes, or for its juice. Number 37. Bananas, a widely consumed fruit, popular for its sweetness and convenience. A good source of potassium and fiber. Number 36. Apples, a versatile fruit, eaten raw or cooked, used in pies, sauces, and other dishes. Number 35. Carrots, a popular and versatile root vegetable, often used in salads, stews, and as a side dish. Number 34. Peanuts, used in peanut butter, sauté sauce, and African stews, peanuts add richness and crunch. They are also a good source of protein and fiber. Number 33. Beans, various types kidney, black, pinto, and cannellini beans are vital in Latin American, Mediterranean, and African cooking. They are a good source of plant-based protein and fiber. Number 32. Cilantro/coriander, used in various cuisines for its flavor. It has a bright, citrusy flavor, and both leaves and seeds are used in cooking. Number 31. Green onion, a frequent ingredient in Asian cuisine. They have a mild onion flavor and add freshness to dishes. Number 30. Sesame oil, a flavorful oil common in Asian cooking. It has a distinct nutty flavor and aroma. Number 29. Feta cheese, a brine cheese used in Greek cuisine. It has a tangy, salty flavor and crumbly texture. Number 28. Parmesan cheese, a common cheese in Italian cuisine. It is known for its hard texture and savory flavor. Number 27. Cinnamon, a spice commonly used in sweet and savory applications. It has a warm and aromatic flavor. Number 26. Ginger, an aromatic rhizome widely used in Asian cuisine. It adds a pungent, spicy, and slightly sweet flavor. Number 25. Cumin, a common spice used across many cuisines, especially in the Middle East and India. Adds a warm, earthy flavor to food. Number 24. Black pepper, a very popular seasoning used in many cuisines. It provides a subtle heat and aromatic flavor. Number 23. Coconut, milk/oil common in Southeast Asian and other cuisines, for both sweet and savory dishes. Adds richness and flavor. Number 22. Tomatoes, a versatile fruit, often used as a vegetable, used across many cuisines. From sauces to salads, they are a very versatile ingredient. Number 21. Chiles, used globally for adding heat, with many different varieties. They range from mild to extremely hot, adding unique flavors to dishes. Number 20. Lime/lemon juice, used in cooking and cocktails, providing acidity. They add a bright and zesty flavor to dishes. Number 19. Fish sauce, a staple in Southeast Asian cooking, known for its umami flavor. It adds a salty and savory dimension to dishes. Number 18. Pork, another commonly consumed meat, particularly in some regions. It is used in diverse dishes, including sausages and roasts. Number 17. Beef, a popular source of protein, though not as universally used as chicken. Used in many dishes from steaks to stews. Number 16. Cheese, a dairy product used in a variety of dishes worldwide, with many regional variations. From cheddar to mozzarella, it adds richness to many dishes. Number 15. Milk, a dairy staple, used for drinking and cooking. It is a fundamental source of calcium and other nutrients. Number 14. Soy sauce, a key ingredient in many Asian cuisines, adding umami flavor. It provides a salty, savory flavor to many dishes. Number 13. Vegetable oil, a general term for cooking oils, including soybean, canola, and others. Used for frying, sautéing, and baking. Number 12. Butter, a cooking fat used in many baking and savory applications. It is essential for flavor and texture in many dishes. Number 11. Eggs, another very common source of protein across multiple cuisines. Used in baking and in many savory recipes. Number 10. Chicken, a widely consumed protein source, used in many forms and across many cultures. It's a versatile and affordable meat. Number 9. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean and many other cuisines, used for cooking and dressing. It is valued for its flavor and health benefits. Number 8. Garlic, a very popular aromatic used in countless dishes around the world. It is known for its distinctive and pungent flavor. Number 7. Onions, a fundamental aromatic vegetable, used in savory dishes across numerous cuisines. They provide depth of flavor to many recipes. Number 6. Potatoes, a versatile and globally consumed root vegetable. Potatoes are used in many dishes from fries to stews. Number 5. Corn, another widely consumed grain, used in many forms. From tortillas to cornmeal, it's a very versatile ingredient. Number 4. Wheat/flour, the base for bread, pasta, and many baked goods. Available in various types, it's a cornerstone of global baking. Number 3. Rice, a staple carbohydrate in many cultures, especially in Asia. It's a versatile grain used in countless dishes worldwide. Number 2. Salt, an essential seasoning and preservative, crucial in nearly every cuisine around the world. It enhances flavor and is vital for many recipes. Number 1. Sugar, a globally prevalent sweetener, used in baking, beverages, and countless other applications. It comes in many forms, including white, brown, and turbinado. These ingredients, while not exhaustive, form the very heart of global cuisine. They remind us that, despite our many differences, we're all connected through the universal language of food. They are the result of generations of innovation, of sharing, and of the simple human need for sustenance and flavor. It's fascinating how a few core elements can create a world of taste. These are just a handful of the ingredients that, in their simplicity, contribute so greatly to the diverse tapestry of human culture. From the humblest of kitchens to the grandest of restaurants, they are there, transforming raw materials into something truly special. In our journeys through taste, let us remember that the most profound culinary discoveries are built upon the foundation of simple ingredients that bind us all.